It's Frickin' Friday, and oh boy did I. Or maybe I didn't. You see, I'm teaching my very first Maloof rocking chair class, which features a type of tongue and groove joint that you see here called a Maloof joint. Now, as we were dry fitting this joint together, it was super tight. So I guess the silver lining that I'm choosing to see is that I taught my students so well that it was tight enough to actually break the wood and not just slide out. Anyway, the good news is this was a pretty clean break, so hopefully it'll just glue back together without ruining the Maloof joint. If you would have fixed it differently, let me know in the comments.